Before we do this, we must make sure that virtualization is enabled at the BIOS level. So in order to achieve this, we will go ahead and go to Server Manager, and we would add role. So add role and features. Go next. We select role-based, feature-based roles and feature installation. And in this case, it's the local server. Select the local server. We go next. And we do see the hypervisor role, Hyper-V. We select that, and also the added features. By default, those features are selected, and we go next and next, next. There are secondary things that we would do, like virtual switches and migration defaults and so on, but we'll do that in a different video. So I'm gonna take the default locations for saving the virtual machines and hard drives. So this will take a few minutes to install, and once it's installed, we would have to restart the server. We'll go ahead and do that, and after restarting the server, we would verify that the Hyper-V manager is available. So we go ahead and close the server manager, and we would look for the Hyper-V manager. So that's where we would manage our hypervisors. Thanks for watching, and hope you subscribe. Thank you.